Okay, it's rolling.
Okay, so these are the things that we would like to get done down here to finish up this project. This cabinet needs to be moved back down where it originally was. You can see that the thing around the light was cut and we need to replace that. We would also like to turn this into a full service kitchen if possible. I was thinking about maybe putting like a dishwasher here and putting a stove top over here. This closet right here has the water heater in it. And currently there are washer and dryer hookups. Instead of putting this here, and we don't really necessarily need to have the washer and dryer hookups. It's also plumbed for a water softener, and I think that that's what we would like to keep instead of the washer and dryer. If it's possible, we would like to move this down to here. This space right here is the same width as that closet, and we were hoping to just move that down here and put the walls, frame it out and put the doors back here on this wall. And then I was hoping on this wall to put a nook for a fridge and put some cabinets around it maybe, and if possible to put an oven in if that works with code. So I don't really know about building what the codes are, but that's kind of what I had envisioned.
An in-wall oven?
Yes, an in-wall oven. Since we don't have one in the main kitchen, our kitchen is big enough that it could have had one, but they did not put one in. In here, the tile needs to be fixed, and the walls. Now there's a board across here because this was a load-bearing wall. If it's possible, it would be nice to put this flush instead of having it stick out, so that it just comes right into where the closet is instead of sticking out here. We also need to have the tile patched and maybe get a shot from the inside here, what needs to be done on this wall. We also, Steve had put some wiring in here, and I think it needs some reworking. Some of the things are maybe not on the best circuits. So Richard was looking at that and thinking that maybe some adjustments needed to be made here. Over here, this wall needs to be finished out. And then outside here, we need to put either stucco or plaster or whatever it is on the outside to finish this out, frame out the door. This really should be over about 1 foot, so it's not covering part of the door. And then we've got a little bit of a plumbing issue right here. This pipe goes to the city, and it used to have this mat all around the house, and it would go down to the pipe. So we either need to connect that further out or do something here. This pipe goes to the city. It would be good to help prevent flooding. So I don't know if it needs to just stay open here or if it needs to go back in there. That's pretty much it.
And that's more stucco over there, it looks like.
Yeah, over here.
And then these holes.
Probably if we could figure out how to put this the right way without duct tape, that would be good.
A solution that doesn't include duct tape on that one.
We also need to have a trench dug and this pipe buried over here. But
Isn't that my job?
yeah, that could maybe be done by Richard or somebody else. That's just something that needs to be done also.
And then on the inside of where these were, this is where the air conditioning unit was, where the two of them were. And there's some work on the inside of the garage that needs to be finished up.
Yes, some
patchwork.
drywall was cut out, and then these need to be trimmed and then patched.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.